is Mark the Ministry Dude with a riding lawnmower hack. All these mowers have safety switches on. This one here has one underneath the seat. I bypassed it already. You know, if you get off the seat or you lean too far to one way, it'll shut the motor off. And we got this right here. In order to start it, you got to push this all the way in so it's not in gear. So when you start it, it takes off. And then we got one attached to the blade. So when you engage the blades, if you're on the mower and you get up off the seat, it'll shut off. Or if you put it in reverse, when the blades are engaged, it'll shut off too. So if you're having trouble starting your mower, you know, the battery's good and all your connections and everything are good, you might want to check one of these switches because they ground out is what happens, you know. I had a customer of mine call me up the other day and said his mower wouldn't start. I said, did you check everything? Check the blade engaged and all that? Well, his blades were engaged. That's why it wouldn't start. So check these things first, you know, especially if your blades are already engaged.